I've been dominating NVIDIA's chart since January 6th, like a glove, really. You guys can see January 6th, I put a video out, and I was warning viewers of this harmonic pattern. Again, guess what? We could see the price come down to 170. Now, I followed that up a couple weeks later with another video on January 20th, and I was talking to people and telling them, hey, guess what? You got to watch out. We got a little bit of a harmonic pattern here, and it could push the price up to about $187 to $197. That was the area I was thinking we would see. And then we also had some very interesting key points in time that I was warning the viewers about. This one here, January 26th, January 29th. So these were all important dates, January 22nd, 26th, 29th. So I did another video on January 31st, about a week ago. And you can see January 29th hit perfectly. We got the reversal that we thought we would. And we were looking for more key events like reversals and the market bottoming out around Thursday, February the 5th. We had this nice rising wedge in combination with this data marker that Chart Forecaster gave us to look out for on the 29th of January. This really helped us exit our trade very nicely. You guys can see it predicted the peak momentum area perfectly. Price dropped out, and we saw it come back up for a retest, and ultimately we knew about this reversal on February 2nd. So the reversal came and hit, and the rest was history. The price was down into the gutter, just as if we could predict the future, and that's exactly what we did using harmonics and chartforecaster.com. Now, there is a free 3-day trial of chartforecaster.com. You can sign up and use the code FREETRIAL3. You'll get 3 days. After that, there's no credit card or anything like that required for this free trial as well. But if this is a program that you'd like to use, it's only $9.99 a month. And it's pretty powerful, as you guys can see. Predicting peak momentum areas here, reversals here, peak momentum areas here, bullish or bearish momentum starts building here, and now you're seeing the price rip. So that's kind of how we knew that price would reverse somewhere down here February 5th. Now, it was off a little bit, but I'll still give it credit for predicting the area in which the market reversed, or the stock reversed, because the last day or two in the stock market has been absolutely brutal. I'll say the last week. But where is NVIDIA headed now? And at the end of the day, I'm paying really close attention to a few patterns that I'm seeing on the charts here. And I do think that there could be potential for a little bit of a collapse here. And I say this because there could be this head and shoulders pattern that could be forming or has already formed. Now, the interesting thing about this is we had something very similar with this already, and it completely defied that head and shoulder there. So it'll be interesting to see if this plays out. And I'm seeing some really weird stuff going on with NVIDIA's price. And that's why I'm not playing it right now. I don't have any vested, any investments in NVIDIA right now. I'm just waiting to see what happens, and if we do see a collapse, like right now on this 2-day chart, the candles are trying to get back above this 50 moving average. If they don't, I do think that we'll see NVIDIA maybe work its way down to this 200 moving average and kind of touch base as it did in an instance here. So that's my thoughts on NVIDIA. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, check out chartforecaster.com, free trial 3 at sign up. That'll give you 3 free days of chartforecaster.com. But we'll see you on the next video.